Say hello to Dermalec's newest innovation, Save Your Skin All-in-One Repair Balm. Save Your Skin is your super gentle rescue balm that solves practically every beauty concern. Luxuriously indulgent, intensely hydrating, and instantly nourishing, this healing salve supports skin renewal to treat and restore dry, cracked skin, nails, hair, and so much more. Featuring a proprietary antioxidant blend of castor oil, evening primrose oil, Abyssinian oil, rose flower oil, and candelilla wax. This all-over nourishing salve is perfect to target and restore dry hands, shoulders, chests, elbows, arms, knees, thighs, and legs. It can also be used to treat burns, cuts and scrapes, eczema, cracked heels, sunburns, chafing, and diaper rash. Plus, Save Your Skin can also be used for countless unique and universal beauty hacks. Use Save Your Skin for treating chapped lips, fortifying lashes, taming unruly eyebrows, preventing split ends and frizz, boosting perfume, tattoo care, achieving a dewy makeup look, restoring nails and cuticles, and slugging. Save Your Skin features a clean formula free of mineral oil, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and gluten. And you can trust it's both vegan and cruelty-free. Save Your Skin is your must-have ultimate multitasker. Leave it by your bedside, in your gym bag, or on your desk as your go-to skin solution.